Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Java. So open a browser and just search Java install and then visit the official website Java downloads. Scroll down a little bit and I will see Java 23 or here Java 21 we have. Just select which version you want to download, and if we scroll down here you can see the operating system Linux, Mac OS and Windows, and then you can download this specific Java version. So here I am downloading the compressed archive here, and if we click on it, it will download. So I've already downloaded that one. I'll show you. And the Java archive, if we'll click here, if you want to download any older version of Java, you can just click on the Java archive and you will see the old version of Java here, and you can download it from here. Let's say like Java 21, you can click on it and then you can scroll down here. You will see the Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Here also you can download it. If you click on it, you will get an option here and it will download. I'm just cancelling it because I have already downloaded it. So unzip the zip file and if we'll go inside, you will get JDK23. Copy this folder and go to C drive, program files, then inside Java you can paste it here. Click on continue and then paste it here. So just go inside, copy this path here, JDK 23.0.2. then you can open the advanced system properties window. You can, for that you can search it, edit system environment variable here. You'll get this window, or you can just right click on this PC, then click on properties here, and then you can click on it advanced system setting, and then you will get the same window here. Then you can just click on it environment variable, then in the system variable section just click on new, then just write Java underscore home, then paste the path what you have copied. Just click on OK, and then in the path we need to add that. Just click on edit, then click on new, then here you can we will add that Java home, Java underscore home percentile class bean. Just click on OK, then OK. Now to test it, just open a command prompt here. Then type Java version. You'll get the Java version here. Same thing also you can check Java C version. You'll get that. That's it, this video. Thank you.